so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes should not perish but have everlasting life. John 3:16 says, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. Whosoever believes should not perish but have everlasting life. So if we believe in God, we shouldn't perish. We believe that God gave his only Son. Whoever will give their Son for us? We are sinners. We are people who are sin daily. But Jesus came, God gave his only Son. Jesus came down to earth to die for me and you. Why should we give our life for Christ? Why should we go out there and do the things that Christ won't do? He gave his life for us. He crucified. He died on the cross. He rose again for us. We should believe that God is the main man in our life. We should get out of this old earthly stuff. Earthly stuff doesn't mean anything if you don't have God. If God is not in control of your life, he gave all he had. Are we willing to go the extra mile to help people, to do for people? There are people out there in the street need help. Are we going to do like Jesus? Jesus, he went to heal people. You know the story? He healed the blind man, the man that lame could walk. Lazarus was dead. He rose. Lazarus got up out of his bed. He was in the grave. He got up. It was the man who they put down through the window. Lord, man, he got up. He told him, get up and walk. He got up out of his bed and walked. Oh, man, Jesus died so much. The blind man couldn't see. Oh, there was a man who had demons, lepers. Look what Jesus did. But the ultimate thing that Jesus did, he died on the cross for me and you. For we can have the right to the tree of life. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Who would give their own life for you and me? Nobody but Jesus. Man, I wouldn't even do it, but Jesus did it. Have a blessed day.